Hello guys. So this was the last program that we did together, and today what I have decided is that I want to teach you one more method in the string class, and that is equals method. So let's see how it works, and I'll explain you the equals method thoroughly. So let's make a class in this package, give it a name. Class name always starts with a capital letter. So equal, give whatever name you want. Just make sure that the capital first alphabet should be capital letter. We will be having a main method as well. So yeah, so let's say I have a string USA. I have another string India. Now we want to see, by just looking at it, we can say that these two strings are not equal. But how programmatically we can achieve this? We can compare these two strings in the program using Java and say that these two strings are not equal. How are we going to achieve that? So there's a method in the string class called equals method. So let's try that. So str dot equals, and you can see that it has taken str1 automatically. Now, as I told you in the last class as well, that this uh, if we want to print anything on the console, we have to print it by using the SOP statement. So that is our program. That is 3-line program. But let's see if USA and India, according to Java program, are same or not. Okay, run as Java application. False. So we have concluded that equals method is comparing the content of str and str1, these two strings. So is if the content are different, then it's going to return false. Now let's make another string str, and here I'll give 3. Let's see what happens now. str2, sorry. True. So str and str2 are same. Str and str2 are same. But this is hard coded, right? We want to take input from the user and then compare it with the string that we have here, USA. So what we're going to do, I'll comment these, and we'll be using scanner class. So let's see, scanner. I will explain you what scanner class is and why we use scanner class. Firstly, scanner class is used to take input from the keyboard, so from the user. Okay, so that's what scanner class is used for. So in this particular video, I'm just explaining you the equals method of string class. I'm not explaining you the scanner class. If you want, I can make a separate video on scanner class so that you can understand it properly. But for now, I'm just for the sake of taking input from the user, I'll be using scanner class. So let's see. The software that I'm using is Eclipse. Now you can see the underline, this red underline, what does it mean? It means that there is an error. Okay, so we have to fix it. Now what is the error? Scanner cannot be resolved to a type, so we have to import the package in which the scanner class is. So you can see here, import scanner, it is in the java.util package. Okay, so I'm just going to export it, import it. Okay, so the error is gone. And now how are we going to use this? We have created the object of scanner class here. Now what I want to do is take input from the user. So this is the statement where the user will give the input, but we have to store it in some value variable. So string str3. So in string 3, whatever the user types in will be stored in str3. So, and then it will be compared with str, this one, USA. So I will give you str3. Now the program is okay. The only problem is that once I run the program, there will be nothing on the screen, since we haven't, this program is not asking for any value. So we should go ahead and ask for a value from the user. So what we're going to do is enter a string to compare, right? So let's run it, and then I'll explain you the program. Enter a string to compare. Sorry for the spelling, guys. I'll correct it. So let's say India and press enter. False. So USA and India are not same in content, right? Their spellings are different. Everything is different. Now I'm going to run it again and enter a string to compare. Now I will give USA. Okay, this is what I'm typing here. You can see here, right? Enter a string to compare. I am writing a USA and just press enter. True. So hence proved that the values, the equals method is comparing the values that the user gave and the value of this str that we had. Okay, the user gave the value and it was stored in str3, and we had this value before. Okay, so we compared str and str3. Str equals str3. So, and what is the return type of equals? Boolean. You can see here it's Boolean. Okay, so it will return either true or false. So that's what it is doing, true, or in case both are not same in content, it will give false. So I hope you like the video, and please comment that what would you like to uh, learn next, so that I can make videos accordingly. And please guys, share, like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.